brakes release.
Generic 02 Echo, did you copy? .128.65 for generic 02 Echo.
We are takeoff runway 30. Okay, this runway is shortly. I use 10 degrees flaps. Brakes is the RPM is good. Brakes release, and we are rolling up. Airspeed alive. All green. Temperature is good. Pressure is good. Vacuum good. Center line is okay. 50, 60. Brakes. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shimon. I am real pilot. I have PPL licenses. After I upload my last video, I received a ton of questions about my cockpit, especially about my software, hardware, and the cockpit building. And this episode, I want to take you to tour on my cockpit. Before we started, please subscribe my channel. Let's go started. Okay, let's talk about the construction. In this construction is a very simple. We have a floor and two walls. To connect the walls to the platform, I use a 90-degree iron angle and some screws. The type of the wood I used in the construction is 1.6 centimeter plywood. I took the chair from an old car and built a wooden stand to adjust the correct height. In order to maintain an equal height between all the screens, I built telescopic iron legs that can be adjusted. The connection to the screens is made by standard screws in the place designed for them. In the back table you can see all the electrical system consisting of electrical cables, USB hub, HDMI cables, main computer, and more. Okay, let's talk about the main panel. The panel is made of MDF, and I made all the necessary cuts using a CNC machine. Now a word on the screens. These are three 55-inch 4K screens and no borders. This is very important so that the image can be combined. On the left side, in the lower part, you can find the electrical system. The panel is a copy 1x1 of a Cessna 172 and manufactured by a desktop aviator. Above the electrical panel you can find the row of the circuit breakers which I printed on my 3D printer. To fly the plane I use a honeycomb yoke, and to hide the yoke base behind the panel I had to extend the yoke tube. And here we see the carb heat handle. Okay, my friend, let's continue. This handle are original part from the Cessna 172, but are they connected to the simulator? Let's see. Behind the main panel was installed the G-Flight Simulator throttle coordinate, and the connection between the handles and throttle I was made using an iron cable and some screws. It is required to adjust the length of the cable according to the throttle range. After many tries, I found this method works well. Now that you have seen, you can create yourself. The next is the flaps handle. This is another product of the Desktop Aviator company. This product is very quality and easy to assemble. With this is the plug and play with the USB cable. In the right side you can find the 2-button switch. The lower is the push buttons, and I use them for answering to ATC control. The upper is toggles buttons, and I use them for operate other system on the planes, such as pitot hat, fuel pump, static air, and more. In the middle lower part of the panel you can see the trim wheel. The product was bought from Amazon and manufactured by Cytec. And this product also works in a plug and play method and works very well. Under the trim wheel there are two microphone and headphone jacks. Here you can see the fuel tank selected, left, right and both, valve cut off engine. This is the 3 part of the Desktop Aviator. Under the yoke, like a real Cessna, you can find the parking brake handle. I found this idea in the internet. I printed the main part with a 3D printer and took the handle from an old door. In the lower left part on the floor, I installed the pedals. These pedals are used to drive the plane on the ground, for braking, and for operating the rudder. This product is from a Cytec company. Here we can see the bezels. I print them my 3D printer. Here I have some toggle. One of them lighting is the lighting of cockpit. You can see this is a white light, and to the night I have the red light. And here in the middle of the panel, it is my favorite navigation system, a Garmin, the 750 GTN. I bought this Garmin system in Real Sim Gear company. This device is awesome and work well on my TDS Sim software. I put link in description below. Also here I can change all the frequency like COM1, 1 to 1.9, and activate nav and activate my transponder. You can see this is work very well. I can change the frequency from the encoder switch and zoom in, zoom out, the flight plan, the traffic, terrain, near set airport, and another. This is the SciTech device, an autopilot. Altitude, vertical speed, indicated airspeed, heading and cross. In this method, I used the 22-inch monitor located behind the panel. In order to display all the instrument, I used the Air Manager software. In this software, you can select and organize the instrument according to the type of your aircraft. After pressing the show button, the instrument will appear on the monitor. The software connects the simulator and display all the data very well. That's it, friend. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps you. I will be happy to answer any question in the comments. And see you in the next video.